Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video I will show you how to change your Wi-Fi network profile from public to private in Windows 11. When a Wi-Fi network is set to public, your computer is generally hidden from other devices on the same network. If you trust the network, changing it to private can allow your PC to discover and communicate with other devices on that network. So let's get started. First click the start button and then choose settings to open the settings app. You can also press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open settings quickly. In settings, click network and internet from the left sidebar. Now click the Wi-Fi. Here click the Wi-Fi network properties that your computer is currently connected to. On the Wi-Fi properties page, look for the network profile type. You will see two options: public network and private network. If your network is currently set to public, select private network. That's it. Windows 11 will immediately change the network profile from public to private. You don't normally need to restart your computer for this change to take effect. Remember, you should only set a network as private when you trust that network, such as your home network. For public Wi-Fi networks in places like airports, hotels, cafes or other public locations, it is generally safer to keep the network profile set to public. And that's how you can configure or change a Wi-Fi network from public to private in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GearUpWindows and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.